In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold the Petra Star designed by Maria Sinayskaya. I'll use 8 rectangles, each with a size of 15 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters or 6 inches by 3 inches. For this, I cut squares in half, just like this. The finished star then has a diameter of about 17 centimeters or 6 3/4 of an inch. For a star that has this small white star and white tips, we're going to start with the white side up and fold in half lengthwise. Unfold, flip over, and now fold in half like this. Unfold, and now bring this raw edge to that central crease line, and I like to bring this paper up so that it's perpendicular, and then push against that edge to get nice precision and make a crease. Then fold over and flip over like this. Now take this single layer and fold it in and push open this section right here along the crease line and align this crease line with that edge right there to make a symmetrical squash fold. You should get a nice tip up here and ensure that it's nice and pointy, like that. Now take this lower flap and fold it up, butting it up against this edge. And then one module is done. Repeat with the other 7 sheets. Once you've completed all 8 modules, we can assemble the star. First, take 2 modules and orient them both in this way so that you have a folded edge here, and you can see these flaps are in the bottom. Now we're going to insert this white section into this pocket right here. So we're going inside like this, and we're going to push it in so that it aligns with that top edge, and right here we're going to slide it in all the way too. And then you can see we have this overlap here of this blue module, and we're going to fold that paper inside, and we're going to push, kind of having this action with your thumb and a pushing in action with your index finger to make it nice and tight and neat. And then you can flatten it down. And repeat on the other side. Going inside, and make sure to also capture that single layer right here. And again, push it in to get a nice tight fit and flatten down. And then continue with the next module. Again, going inside this pocket, sliding it in as far as it will go, and then folding in this extra paper and strengthening the crease. And the same on the other side. And continue with the remaining modules. And for the last module, slide it in just like before and lock it just like before. And then open that pocket and insert the first module inside. And lock that one too. And then your Petra Star, designed by Maria Sinayskaya, is all done. By the way, you can also fold the star with rectangles that have a ratio of 3:2 rather than 2:1, and diagrams are published in the BOS Model Collection 2018 Autumn. Also, be sure to visit Maria's Instagram, her Flickr stream, and her website goorigami.com for more of her fantastic work. Plus, I often get asked which paper I'm using. Today I chose paper from Peter Keller's new origami shop, valleyfolder-origami-paper.com. It comes in beautiful colors and is thin and crisp. In case you're curious, here I used 4 shades of the color pack called Eisvogel. The model also looks great folded from patterned paper, by the way. I can definitely recommend Peter's paper, be it for yourself or as a gift for your paper-loving friends. And if you liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting below, and sharing it with others. Now, how about you fold another one of Maria Sinayskaya's designs? Or check out my playlist of Christmas and winter models. Finally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I hope to see you around, and as always, happy folding!